check out this really handy toilet auger item, extractor tool, I guess is what you might want to call it, because that's exactly what it does. This is for getting down, I guess it could be used for any thing like a sink or a drain or anything you've got where you've got something stuck and you don't really want to call a plumber. This is an effective way and an effective tool to be able to grab something that went down a little bit further than you can reach, or want to reach, I should say, if it went down in the toilet. But this is how it works. This is the 51-inch model. There's also a 69-inch one that can go even further down. We just have the 51, but this thing has come in handy quite a few times. We have young kids in the house that just put things in the toilet and then they get stuck. That creates a problem down the line. So we just use this thing to grab them back out. Out of the box, it's more flexible like this. So, when you pull it open and you're looking at it, the flexible portion is this way, right? And it's easy to use. It just has this trigger handle. You put your finger here and you pull this thing and it does the grabbing of whatever you've got down there. Now you can only grab so much, but the toilet drain is only so large as well. So it's about the size of maybe like a large marble, or maybe a size of a quarter in diameter. But it can grab things pretty good. So if you got like clogged toilet paper down there or something, this can reach onto it and pull it out. So it's flexible in that when it's in this state, this retracted state, this part is flexible. To go even further down, or I guess to give you a little bit more leverage, you can pull out like a telescope like this telescoping end of the tool, and it shortens your distance down here. You've only got about a foot of flexibility, but you've got a longer portion here to kind of give you leverage to try to get down into a spot. So maybe if the item didn't go down as far, you can just use it this way and kind of reach down there. You really don't have to get close to the action, so to speak. Or if you think it's way down there, and you push it all the way in, you've got the full length of the snaking portion to get down into the drains. This thing's just really cool. I mean, it comes in handy. If you want to save yourself that plumbing bill, this is a great way to do it. Just having this on hand, because they're compared to the cost of a plumber coming to your house and a service call, this is really cost-effective solution. These things are great.